Hello, myself Aditi. I serve as the career counselor at Maxmunus, dedicated to guiding individuals towards fulfilling professional paths. Let's delve into the intricacies of our MES training course. This comprehensive program spans from foundational concepts to advanced strategies, ensuring a well rounded education. Whether you seek basic proficiency or intermediate expertise, we tailor our training to meet your specific needs. Our commitment to customization means that whether you are an individual or representing a business, we adapt the agenda to align with your project requirements. Your success is our priority, and we are here to shape your learning journey accordingly. Here is the agenda outlining that will be covered in this MES training video. It includes the video's introduction, core functions of MES and key components, benefits of MES, why MES is needed, future of MES, course content, certification and prerequisite, job opportunities, Maxmunus overview, corporate and individual training benefits, conclusion, and contact details. Next slide is the introduction. The Manufacturing Execution System MES is a digital solution that manages, monitors, and synchronizes manufacturing processes in real time. It acts as a bridge between enterprise resource planning systems and the shop floor, ensuring smooth coordination between business planning and actual production. By providing real time visibility, data collection, and process control, MES helps manufacturers improve efficiency, maintain quality, ensure compliance, and achieve end to end traceability across the production lifecycle. Next slide is the core functions of MES: production, scheduling, and dispatching, work order management, data collection, quality management and compliance, inventory and material tracking, performance analysis and reporting. Next slide is the benefits of MES. It improved production efficiency, real-time monitoring and control, reduced downtime and waste, enhanced product quality, regulatory compliance and traceability, better decision making with accurate data. Next slide is the key components of MES: order management, resource scheduling, data acquisition, quality management, traceability and genealogy, performance analysis. Next slide. Why MES is needed? Manufacturing industries face increasing pressure to produce high quality products at lower cost while meeting strict regulatory requirements. Traditional methods often lack real time visibility, making it difficult to monitor production, trace materials, or quickly identify issues on the shop floor. This leads to inefficiencies, delays, and compliance risk. A manufacturing execution system is needed to bridge this gap by providing real time data, process control, and end to end traceability. It helps manufacturers improve efficiency, reduce waste, ensure consistent product quality, and maintain compliance with industry standards, ultimately supporting smarter and faster decision making. Next, future of MES. The future of manufacturing execution systems is moving towards smarter, more connected, and more flexible solutions. Traditional on premise MES is being replaced by cloud based platforms that offer scalability and remote accessibility. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being integrated to enable predictive maintenance, process optimization, and advanced analytics. With the rise of industrial Internet of Things, MES will seamlessly connect machines, sensors, and enterprise systems for real time decision making. In addition, mobile and augmented reality tools will empower operators with instant access to instructions and performance data. Overall, MES is evolving into a central hub for smart factories, driving efficiencies, compliance, and agility in the era of Industry 4.0 and beyond. Next slide is the course content. Synced MES Fundamentals and Compliance Training Series. Overview of Manufacturing Execution Systems. MES Architecture and Components. Core Functions of MES. MES Insights and System Overview. Industry Standards and Interfaces. MES Structure and Modularity. Why MES? Benefits of MES. Regulatory compliance 21 CFR Part 11, EU Annex 11, GAMP 5 and system validation, quality risk management, MES vendor landscape. Synced MES Advanced Training Program, web portal and workflow navigation, document control and digital archival, equipment lifecycle management, material mastery and inventory handling, order module operations and associated workflow, quality review manager, weighing and dispensing operations, integrated tools and their applications, recipe authoring, behavior tool, resource text editor, system security and audit compliance, SC consumer, service consumer, Synced admin tool. Next slide, the certification of MES. A professional recognition awarded after completing training in MES validates knowledge of MES concepts, architecture, implementation, and real time production management. Helps professionals demonstrate expertise in digital manufacturing and Industry 4.0's practices. Next slide is the prerequisites of MES. Basic knowledge of manufacturing processes, awareness of ERP systems, basics of SCADA, PLCs, and data collection systems, knowledge of databases, networks, and client server applications, familiarity with GMP FDA 21 CFR Part 11 or ISO standards. Next, we have the job opportunities of MES in top countries. There are many job vacancies over the countries like United States, China, Germany, France, Poland, Finland, Canada, New Zealand, Georgia, Argentina, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Mexico, UAE, Egypt. Next, we have the job opportunities in top companies. Deloitte, Infosys, Birlasoft, Capgemini, Accenture in India, Microsoft, IBM, TCS, EPAM Systems, EY, Capgemini Engineering, LTI Mindtree. So, what are the job vacancies for MES available worldwide? The finest resource, in my opinion, for finding a job in India is Naukri. So, let's check out the Naukri website. I have already opened it for you. Let me show you. As you can see, there are the compensation packages, location, company type, work mode. So you can check from here according to your requirement. These are the companies. Sorry. These are the top companies: Accenture, Wipro, IBM, etc. Now, those who are looking for job in USA, they can check with dice.com. As you can see, there are currently 376 openings in USA. So you can check out from here. And for those who are looking for job internationally, they can make a profile in LinkedIn and they can check it from there according to the requirement. So these are the things. Okay, let's move back to the presentation. Moving on to the next slide, we have the Maxmunus overview. Maxmunus institution boasts a 15-year legacy as a corporate training and project consultancy enterprise. Renowned for its specialized technology training, Maxmunus stands as a premier choice in India, USA, UK, Europe, and various regions of the UAE. With a track record of over 1,000 successful corporate trainings, spanning countries like Singapore, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and India, Maxmunus has garnered praise and appreciation from corporate clients worldwide. Furthermore, our esteemed client list includes top names for whom we have conducted MES training both domestically and internationally. So these are the top clients of Maxmunus. Moving on to the next slide, we have the corporate training benefits of Maxmunus. The training content can be customized to meet the unique demands of the company's projects. We offer MES training designed specifically for installation and configuration requirements. Upon successfully finishing the training session, employees are ready to make immediate contribution to projects supported by Maxmunus's corporate training program. You have the freedom to select the venue, training format, and schedule that best suits your preferences. Upon completing the course, all the participants will receive certificates recognizing their accomplishment. Next, what advantages does Maxmunus offer for individual training? Our primary strength lies in offering tailored training for individuals facilitated by subject matter experts dedicated to each project and specific to the industry. You have the opportunity to select a trainer and observe them firsthand for a live demonstration prior to commencing MES instruction. Each participant will gain comprehensive knowledge of the MES certification exam process swiftly. Next slide is the conclusion. So, as we near the conclusion of today's session, I can state that the Manufacturing Execution System MES is a vital tool for modern industries, bridging the gap between business planning and shop floor execution. It enhances productivity, ensures compliance, improves quality, and provides real time visibility into operations. As manufacturing moves towards Industry 4.0, MES will continue to play a central role in driving digital transformation, smart factories, and sustainable growth. Next slide is the contact details. If you have any inquiries or wish to enroll in our MES training session, please feel free to reach out to us using the contact information provided here. Kindly make a note of the phone numbers for direct communication. Additionally, you can contact us via WhatsApp using the same numbers. For email correspondence, you may reach us at contact@maxmunus.com. Alternatively, you can quickly get in touch with us by accessing the URL provided in the description box. We also offer a live chat option where you can leave a message and our team will promptly respond to address any queries regarding the training session. We invite you to join us soon for an enriching career journey with MES training. We sincerely hope you will find our MES training course with Maxmunus both enjoyable and valuable. Our utmost priority is ensuring candidate satisfaction. Thank you for considering us.